When you're traveling worldwide, two names pop up for eSIMs, Saily versus Ubigi. Which one really delivers? On the left, Saily, flexible and budget-friendly for global explorers. And on the right, Ubigi, promising premium coverage and lightning speed. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, here's where we're going with today's video. We'll be breaking things down into 5 main categories: coverage and network quality, pricing and plan flexibility, ease of use and app experience, support and refund policy, and finally, speed and performance. That way, you'll know exactly what matters for your style of traveling. Let's kick things off with coverage and network quality. Starting with Saily, it's rocking the KDDI AU network in Japan. That means solid signal in cities and even while you're zipping along those high-speed trains. Plus, you can manage plans for different countries straight through the app, which is honestly super convenient if you're traveling across borders. But here's the thing. The signal does get patchy if you wander off into the countryside or more remote places in Japan. Now, swapping over to Ubigi, it runs on the NTT Docomo backbone in Japan, which, honestly, is kind of the gold standard if you care about coverage everywhere, even those tiny villages and mountain towns. And with over 200 destinations supported, you're basically guaranteed to stay connected almost anywhere. The catch? If you want the truly unlimited or premium plans, they're going to cost you. But for sheer reach and reliability, Ubigi snags the win here. Next up, pricing and plan flexibility. Saily really shines if you love stretching your dollar. Think super cheap packages like 1 gigabyte for just a few bucks. There's no annoying daily throttling on unlimited plans, and you get regular discounts hanging around. Sometimes like 5% off, so that's always a bonus. The only downside is those tiny plans don't last long, so you'll be shopping for top-ups pretty frequently if you're an Instagram addict. Now, Ubigi's got a bigger spread, starting from 500 megabytes a day up to hefty yearly plans, which is nice if you want to set and forget. You get a rechargeable eSIM and can add destinations really easily. Plus, their discounts often hit 10% off. The caveat? Their unlimited plans cost more compared to Saily and some other competitors. So, if saving cash and flexibility are your jam, Saily totally takes this category. On to ease of use and the app experience. This is honestly where both brands do pretty well. Saily is all about app-first management, so you can set up your plan, change it up, and activate before you even land in the country. Like, how much simpler does it get? The app lets you get rolling in minutes, but I'll admit, if you need support, sometimes the response lags behind old-school phone-based help. Ubigi's website and app are super intuitive too. You just grab a QR, scan, and you're online. Easy for even those who still call tech magic. And managing coverage globally is just as easy. One thing though, no live chat or phone support, which can leave you feeling a bit left out if something goes sideways. Honestly, it's a tie here. Both serve up a smooth digital experience, but neither is perfect. Did you know Ubigi's speed in Korea, 351 megabits per second, is faster than most home broadband connections? Pretty wild if you need to knock out some remote work or upload a ton of pics, right? Let's talk support and refund policies, because when things go wrong, you really learn what you paid for. With Saily, you can ping their in-app live chat 24/7, and usually, if you haven't used your data, they'll hook you up with a full refund. Sometimes they'll do partial refunds too, which is pretty fair. Downsides? Yeah, responses can be, well, slower than you'd hope on live chat. Ubigi's more old school. They've got a robust FAQ section and email support. But if you ever need a refund after activation, forget it. It's gone. Plus, there's no real-time help, which is a pain if you run into issues as a newbie. So if you want the safety net and actually get your money back, Saily's the winner here. Finally, the thing that makes or breaks your travel day: speed and performance. Saily, in the cities or major places, is super fast. Like, no complaints streaming or uploading. Just keep in mind, if you drift from big cities, sometimes the connection dips a little. It's not exactly the countryside champion. Now, Ubigi totally flexes here. In Korea, I legit clocked 351 megabits per second download speeds, which is like faster than my home internet. And even in rural or kind of random spots, you're still getting solid fast data. Okay, uploads aren't always as strong as downloads, but honestly, you probably care more about downloading anyway. Ubigi wins in speed. It's a rocket. Here's the bird's eye view. Ubigi takes the lead on coverage and pure speed. Saily rules on affordability and support, and they're both easy when it comes to app setup. Visualizing all the categories side by side, you can see where each one shines and where the trade-offs hit. So, who should go for which? If you're a budget-loving traveler, maybe a digital nomad who likes fiddling with apps and switching plans with a few taps, Saily is probably going to be your best friend. But if you want premium, worry-free internet wherever you are, especially if rural or reliability matters, then Ubigi's your ticket. Depends what's more important for your travels. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.